Hello guys, as you can see in the title of the video, today I will discuss what is the difference between UGCNET and CSIRNet. So many students have a very confusion in between these two conducting body, that what is CSIRNet and what is UGCNet. So let me explain it in detail that what is that. So basically, UGC net is the name of the examination, and conducting body is the NTA, and which is held in twice in year, and mode of examination is online MCQ based, and there is a two paper, and total in paper 1 50 question, and paper 2 is 100 question, and time is 3 hour, and there is no negative marking. And as I explained that 3 hour and all this, and there is the syllabus for paper 1, as you can check, and there is a different subject for paper 2. So the main difference is in the exam is the subject. So for UGCNet is conducting more than you can say 80 subjects. So as you can say 101 subject for UGCNet is exam conducting. So for that there is a first one is economic, then second one is political science, philosophy, psychology, sociology, history, anthropology, commerce, education, social science, defense and strategic study, home science, public administration, population study, music, management, Maithili, and these are the language subjects. For all language subjects there is exam, and for Japanese, German, Rajasthani, Persian, and then adult education, physical education, Arab culture and Islamic study, Indian culture, labor welfare and law, librarian information, Buddhist, Jain, Gandhian and peace studies, competitive study of religion, mass communication, journalism, performing arts, dance, drama, theater, and museology and conservation, archaeology, criminology, tribal and regional language, folk literature, like that. And one thing important is there is a two subject is that computer science and application, which is actually science subject, electronic science and environmental sciences. These three subjects are included also in UGCNet. So you can if you can want to apply, then you can apply in UGCNet also, and these are other subjects. So as we see that this is the mainly basically for the commerce or literature subjects, language subjects. For this it means commerce, and for art student this is the exam to for become a professor. It means for lectureship or for junior research fellowship, JRF. This is the exam. For if you want to if you have a science subject, then for this five subject like life science, physical science, chemical science, earth science and mathematical science. For that this is the CSIR UGC NET exam. And is time is same as 3 hour MCQ type questions, and there will be consist of three part. In those in that exam there is only two part 1 and part 2, but in this there is a three part, A, B and C. Part A is common for all, same as the part 1 is common for all in the UGCNet. In this exam part A is common for all subject. So and there is one thing is that there is a negative marking of 25% for each answer. And there is a for different subject there is a different syllabus pattern. But part A pattern is same for all subject. 20 question there is, maximum number of attempt is 15. It means 20 question you have to attempt only 50 question from this, and each correct answer give you 2 marks, and the negative marking is 0.5, as we seen that 25%. And for chemical science part B held 40 question, 35 question you have to attempt, and for the every correct answer you get 2 marks and negative marking is 0.5. And part C 60 question, out of only 25 question you have to attempt, and each correct answer give you 4 marks, and if you do wrong then you get minus 1 marks. So total 120 question out of 75 you have to attempt, and total marks is 200. And same as for the earth science, atmospheric, ocean and planetary science. Part A same as we discussed earlier. For part B 50 question out of 35 you have to attempt, and for each correct answer 2 marks. And part C 80 questions, from that you have to attempt 25 question, and each correct answer give you 4 marks, and negative marking is 1.32 for each wrong question. So out of 150 question 75 you have to attempt, and 200 marks is the total. And for a life science, part A is same. For part B 50 question out of 35 you have to attempt, and for each correct you get 2 marks. And for part C 75 question out of 25 you have to attempt, and each correct 4 marks, and the total 145 question out of 75 you have to attempt, and total 200 marks. For mathematical science part B 40 question, 25 you have to attempt, and for each each correct you get 3 marks, and for a wrong you get minus 0.75. And in the part C 60 question, in that 20 you have to attempt, and 1.47 is the marks for each correct answer. But there is the one thing, there is a no negative marks for part C questions for a mathematical science student. So out of 120 question you have to attempt only 60 question, and 200 marks is the maximum marks. And for last but not least physical science subject, part B you have a 25 question out of 20 question you have to attempt, and for each correct you get 3.5 marks, and for each wrong question you get minus 0.875 marks. And part C 30 question out of 20 question you have to attempt, and for that per question is 5 marks, and negative marking is 1.25. So out of 75 question you have to attempt 55 question, and maximum marks is 200. So I am same for all that maximum marks is the 200 marks for all the subject. And as we know that examination notification is out for UGCNET, not for the CSIR net. So you have to check for CSIR net. Most probably in the June July CSIR net is held, so you have to check official website for that. I will give you link in the description box, so you can check that. So to watch the videos like that, subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.